The camera world is brimming with excitement as new releases and rumors continue to shake up the industry. Nikon's new ZR, Canon's compact yet capable C50 cinema camera, and the persistent whispers about the Sony FX32 have all added to the buzz, giving photographers and filmmakers more innovative tools than ever before. But perhaps the most intriguing development comes from an unexpected direction. DJI, a company traditionally associated with drones, gimbals, and stabilizers, may be preparing to release its very first full-frame mirrorless camera. If true, this move could represent one of the most significant shifts in the camera landscape in years. DJI's entry into the mirrorless market would combine its decades of expertise in imaging, stabilization, and aerial cinematography with the demands of traditional professional photography and filmmaking. Rumors suggest the announcement could come as early as September 18, 2025, a date that has quickly become a talking point among creators worldwide. The notion of DJI stepping into the mirrorless camera space isn't entirely surprising when considering the company's history. DJI has long been a major force in visual storytelling, with products like the Mavic and Air drones, the Ronin gimbals, and the Osmo line of handheld cameras all pushing creative boundaries. The company has shown a consistent ability to merge hardware innovation with sophisticated software, producing tools that are accessible yet professional-grade. By venturing into mirrorless cameras, DJI would expand from aerial and stabilized imagery into a sector dominated by long-standing players like Sony, Canon, and Panasonic. For years, industry observers and enthusiasts alike have speculated whether DJI would ever make this leap. With the mounting rumors, leaks, and FCC certifications, that speculation now feels increasingly credible. One of the most compelling rumors is that DJI's new mirrorless camera will adopt the L-mount system. Developed by Leica and shared among Panasonic and Sigma through the L-mount alliance, this mount has grown increasingly attractive to manufacturers entering the high-end camera market. Adopting the L-mount would instantly grant DJI users access to a wide range of professional lenses, from Leica's high-end glass to Sigma's versatile and budget-friendly options. This strategic decision would allow DJI to focus on building a competitive camera body without the massive undertaking of developing a proprietary lens ecosystem from scratch. Moreover, aligning with the L-mount system positions DJI as a serious contender in both photography and video, signaling a commitment to professional-grade hybrid performance. Such a move would put DJI's mirrorless camera in direct competition with Panasonic's S-series and Sigma's FP line, giving creators yet another viable choice in a crowded market. Sensor specifications are another area where DJI could make a strong statement. Leaks suggest that the DJI mirrorless camera may feature a full-frame sensor with a resolution in the 44 to 45 megapixel range. This would position it alongside cameras like the Sony A7R5 and Canon R5, which are widely regarded as hybrid workhorses capable of delivering both high-resolution stills and powerful video performance. A 45-megapixel sensor would provide photographers with detailed images suitable for large prints or commercial use while simultaneously offering oversampled video for sharper, more cinematic footage. Additionally, DJI's potential collaboration with Hasselblad could bring the renowned color science and image rendering from medium-format photography into a compact, high-performance mirrorless body. This combination of technical precision and aesthetically pleasing colors could make DJI's camera one of the most versatile options for hybrid shooters. The rumored design of DJI's mirrorless camera suggests a hybrid approach, blending features for both photographers and filmmakers. Early speculation points to a boxy, video-centric form factor similar to Sony's FX3, including a compact body with potential top handle options for handheld shooting. There may also be a corner-mounted electronic viewfinder, reminiscent of Panasonic's S1H, creating a layout that appeals to both video and still shooters. DJI's history of thoughtful industrial design in its drones and gimbals, characterized by sleek, functional, and forward-thinking construction, suggests the new camera could feel familiar to traditional shooters while also introducing innovative ergonomic solutions that push the category forward. Stabilization is arguably where DJI could make its most significant impact. The company has spent years perfecting gimbals and software-based motion correction, earning a reputation for producing some of the most reliable stabilization systems on the market. Integrating that expertise into a mirrorless camera could result in best-in-class in-body image stabilization, a feature now considered essential for both stills and video. If DJI succeeds in creating a compact, efficient, and highly effective stabilization system, it could surpass existing competitors, providing an enormous advantage for creators who already use DJI drones or handheld gimbals. Such integration could foster a seamless ecosystem across devices, allowing users to leverage their entire suite of DJI products for a cohesive creative workflow. Video capabilities are another area where DJI's mirrorless camera could stand out. While exact specifications remain unconfirmed, leaks suggest high frame rate options in 4K, with the possibility of 6K or even 8K recording. Considering DJI's expertise in imaging technology and their track record for pushing hardware boundaries, it wouldn't be surprising if the camera supports high bitrate codecs, professional-grade color profiles, and advanced thermal management systems to handle intensive video tasks. Such features would make the camera appealing not only to hybrid shooters, but also to filmmakers looking for a compact yet powerful tool capable of delivering cinematic results in a portable form factor. Despite the excitement, much about DJI's mirrorless camera remains speculative. There has been no official confirmation of the product launch, and details regarding pricing, availability, and the complete feature set are still unknown. While many sources speculate on a mid to late September 2025 announcement, it's possible that DJI could adjust its timeline or positioning depending on strategic considerations. Even so, the mounting leaks and credible sources lend a sense of anticipation that this camera could arrive as a genuinely transformative product in the hybrid photography and videography market. The potential impact of DJI entering the mirrorless sector could be significant. For decades, the market has been dominated by a few key players, and while newcomers like Panasonic and Sigma have found niches, it is rare for a company from outside traditional photography to make a serious push at the highest level. DJI, however, is uniquely positioned. Its history of developing compact, high-performance imaging systems for drones, combined with its acquisition of Hasselblad and its deep experience in stabilization technology, gives it a competitive edge. Moreover, DJI's global reach and brand recognition mean that any new product will instantly capture attention, ensuring widespread awareness and adoption among creators. In conclusion, DJI's rumored mirrorless camera has the potential to redefine the landscape for hybrid shooters. By combining full-frame, high-resolution imaging, Hasselblad-inspired color science, advanced in-body stabilization, high frame rate video capabilities, and seamless integration with existing DJI products, the camera could deliver an unprecedented level of versatility. While the exact details, pricing, and release date remain unconfirmed, the mounting leaks, FCC certifications, and credible insider reports suggest a product that is both ambitious and strategically positioned. If DJI follows through, its entry into the mirrorless market could not only provide new tools for photographers and filmmakers, but also push existing manufacturers to innovate more rapidly, ultimately benefiting the entire creative community. The excitement surrounding this possible release underscores a significant moment in the evolution of camera technology, and the coming months could very well mark a new era where DJI, long synonymous with aerial and stabilized imagery, becomes a major player in full-frame mirrorless photography and filmmaking.